All right. Hey guys, let's get started. I better start with the lame joke of the day. Okay. Which direction does a chicken go? That's right. Clockwise. Cluck, cluck, cluck. I know. Pretty lame. Okay. Taking a look at what we did yesterday. On day 5 on Scope and Sequence, we did the organizing Google. So if you were absent yesterday, that's in there. When you finish the assignment today, go back to that as well. And speaking of organized, go ahead and, with your highlighter, draw your line to show that we're done for yesterday. We're going to start a new day. Put today's date. And feel free at any time, please, just stop the video so you can stay with me. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got here. Order of operations maze. I've attached some notes for order of operations and a little shortcut cheat sheet as well in the links below. Feel free to use those. Our instructions tell us that we need to begin at the box under the large arrow, over here. Solve the problem by using order of operations and showing your work. Follow your choice to the next box and continue through the maze until you reach the end box. You may only choose paths with arrows that point away from the box you are currently on. All right, so if I'm in this box, this arrow goes away, this one goes away, and this one goes away. Those are my 3 choices. I better come up with one of those when I do my order of ops here. Okay, so let's begin. First thing to do, problem number 1, stay nice and organized. Let's fold our paper in half lengthwise. This then creates 2 columns to put your work in, which is, kind of algebra style. By the way, for those of you who don't think you're that great at algebra, you've actually been doing algebra style since like 1st grade. So anyway, take a second now and write down the original problem from the worksheet, which is the quantity of, that's how you say your parentheses, the quantity of 16 minus 4 divided by 2 end quantity, all of that quantity squared, times 3. All right, and on your order of ops now, they actually call it GEMDAS instead of PEMDAS. I'm sure you may have heard that. Instead of parentheses first, it is parentheses, but it's parentheses and then any other grouping symbols also go first. Like if you were to have brackets around the parentheses or braces. Another grouping symbol is absolute value bars. And another one is a fraction bar. Like if you had 3 minus 2 on top and 5 minus 2 on bottom. You would have to solve that first, which would be 1 over 3, before you started the rest of your order of ops. Okay, so back to our original problem. Let's just rewrite it. The quantity of 16 minus 4 divided by 2 end quantity squared times 3. Okay, so we do have some parentheses right here. So you cover that up. Everything that's not the parentheses. And then you start order of ops again inside the parentheses. So now from top again, are there any parentheses or grouping symbols in here, left to right? Nope. Are there any exponents in the parentheses, left to right? No. Is there any multiplying or dividing, left to right? Do them all together at the same time. Okay, if you see any multiplying or dividing, tell me to stop. Stop. 4 divided by 2. I have to do that one first. Rewrite the entire stinking problem. I know you don't want to, but we get to. So quantity of 16 minus 2 that quantity squared times 3. We're going to make an upside down triangle. That's our goal, is to get from the expression all the way down to an answer. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you. If you get through this maze, when you get through this maze, we're going to have a cider and seed pumpkin party. So you're going to earn your ticket today when you escape the maze, and that will admit you to our cider and seed pumpkin party. It'll be fun. Okay, so next line of work, here we go. Let's cover everything up again except the parentheses and start order of ops over. So any grouping symbols, yes, we have some. Left to right, start over. Any parentheses in there? Nope. Any exponents? Nope. Multiplying or dividing? Nope. Adding or subtracting, left to right, stop. 16 minus 2, 14. Copy the rest of the stinking problem. There's a squared, there's a times, and there's a 3. All right. 14 squared. That means write down 2 of this base. Okay? Write down 2 of the base and multiply them. So 4 times 4. Go ahead and do that with me or ahead of me, or pause this. See if you get the same thing as I do. 4, 16, 4, 1, 5. Oh, I call this it's like the ghost. It's almost Halloween, so it's like a little placeholder. Your 0, ooh, scary ghost. It's there, but it's not. It's just holding the place. And then 1 times 4 times 1. 196. And then copy the rest of the stinking problem. And now 196 times 3. Go over here, 196 times 3. 28. 3, 4, 5. 588. I got 588. Circle my answer. Stay nice and organized. And then we'll come over here. Is one of our choices on the arrow away from the box 588? Yes. I probably shouldn't do it in highlighter because I might actually have gotten it wrong. Because if I go to this box and I don't get 2 or 5, I might have got this wrong. So I really should have probably just put that in pencil. And then you can highlight at the end. How about that? That way you can easily see the maze. Okay. Let's skip a line. Stay organized. Skip a line. Let's put our number 2 on the outside of the margin. Copy the next problem, which is 2 plus the quantity 4 times 3, end quantity minus 12. Okay, so parentheses or grouping symbols, I do have some. Cover up everything else. Inside I've got 4 times 3. That's a 12. Copy the rest of the stinking problem. See those parentheses? They're going to become important this year. They're there. Keep them there. Copy the rest of the stinking problem. Minus 12. And guess what? I know some of us can look at this problem and do the entire thing in our head. That's not the point here. There's more to come. So follow along with me, do these steps with me, and you're going to see how some things come out later. Okay, next is exponents. Left to right. Exponent, no. Oh wait, I forgot to start over. Are there any grouping symbols? Parentheses, yes. But is there anything inside to do? No. Then exponents, left to right. Then multiply or divide, left to right. Do I see either one of them tell me to stop? No. Adding or subtracting, left to right. Do I see either one of them tell me to stop? Stop. 2 plus 12 is 14. Yeah, that thing. Copy the rest of the stinking problem. I know you don't want to, but we get to. And then 14 minus 12 is 2. There's your upside down triangle. Circle. We'll come over here, and it looks like we've got our 2 right there. All right. Make it all the way to the end. Earn your ticket. Have fun.